precision becomes more than engineering. It becomes a promise we at Filmatic Systems have kept for decades. From the industrial heart of Thane, Filmatic Systems has grown into one of India's leading manufacturers and exporters of monoblock rotary machines, delivering world-class filling and packaging solutions across the globe. With deep experience in the filling and packaging industry, we have become a name synonymous with reliability, innovation, and superior engineering. Whether it's packaged drinking water, juices, or liquor, our machines are designed to handle every free-flowing liquid with unmatched accuracy. Our portfolio spans across the entire packaging line, from automatic rinsing, filling, and capping machines for standard bottles to complete setups for 5-litre, 10-litre, and 20-litre jars. From BOPP labeling systems to sticker labeling to semi and fully automatic shrink wrapping machines, each solution is built to deliver consistency, efficiency, and durability. At Filmatic Systems, we believe excellence is the result of discipline, timely deliveries, high-quality standards, economical pricing, and a customer support system that continues long after installation. These aren't features, they are fundamentals. Today, some of the nation's most respected beverage and water brands place their trust in us. Bisleri, Bailey, Tata Copper Water, Patanjali, and many others who rely on Filmatic Systems to keep their purity promise. And our reach doesn't stop at India. From Zambia and Tanzania to Jordan and Nigeria, Filmatic Systems now operates in over 25+ countries across Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. Our machines travel continents, fueling industries, empowering entrepreneurs, and strengthening global manufacturing. Our technology seamlessly flows from start to finish. Automatic blow molding, air conveyors, rinsing, filling, and capping, labeling, BOPP application, shrink wrapping, a complete ecosystem of precision-engineered machinery designed to take your product from concept to shelf-ready perfection. At Filmatic Systems, we don't just build machines. We build trust. We build opportunities. We build the future of packaging. Drop by drop, bottle by bottle, brand by brand. Because when purity matters, precision must lead. Filmatic Systems. When excellence meets perfection.